Today we're going to install this stereo head unit on this 2012 Chevy Silverado. Alright, this unit had the screen all cracked. What I did was purchase another head unit with similar product number or GM part number. I tried to put it in here, it said locked. So what I did was remove the screen from here and just attach it to this one, and it works. So now we're going to go ahead and install it. First thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and connect all these 4 pigtails right back here. They all line up into their own same little slot. Alright, and just make sure you shove these cables underneath, just like so. Now we're going to go ahead and put this radio in. See? Shove them underneath. Then that little pin is going to go right in there. There it is, and everything just lines up. Now what we're going to do is grab our little climate control and just place it in there. What you can do with one hand, hold it into spot, and then with the other, grab these screws and put them all in accordingly. There's only 6 of them. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and grab this cover. This cover is going to go right there, right behind this trim. So we're going to go ahead and try to put it right behind the trim. Well, first, before that, let's go ahead and slide it from behind the shifter. I'm going to need both hands for this. Alright, and this is really the hardest part right here, just getting it back there. Alright, then we'll go ahead and just put the air vents in, and everything will sit into place. Just kind of have to work it. It's probably going to get caught over here. So go ahead and just work this into place. Alright, like I said, this will probably be the hardest area, but once you have everything in, everything falls right into place. Just give it a nice little tappy, clip everything in. Just gotta give it some love taps so it sits nice and flush, just like so, and we're set. Let's go ahead and give it a try. And there it is. Everything is working. Music is playing. Let's put it on the talk radio. I think it's maybe that. Nope. Yeah.
I'm no superhero, but our customers.
There it is. Everything is working. Sweet. And that is how you install the head unit on a 2012 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.